Hey, welcome back to part 2 on how to code a Discord bot. Today we're going to be working on listeners and we're going to be adding some commands. So first, let's do a start listener. So now that we have the bot online, it's helpful when we can tell when it's actually online because it doesn't tell us. So what we're going to want to do first is do a bot.on, and then we're going to listen for ready, and then we're going to do function, and then curly brackets, and then we're going to do these brackets. Don't forget to put this thing at the end. It's just a good habit while you start to code. So inside this, we're going to console.log, and then we're going to say ready. So what this does is it listens for when the bot is online, and then it console.logs it saying ready. So if we hold control and then press C, it'll turn off the bot, and if we type node space dot again, it'll say ready when the bot is now online. So now that we have that out of the way, let's start adding some commands. So let's do a bot.registry, and then let's do registry, enter. Okay, now let's do dot register default types, and then we can do that. And let's do dot register groups, and then we add these, and then these. Oops, wrong ones. Then we put these in. So now that we have that, we can start adding our subfolders. So first, let's create a new folder called commands. And so let's create a group of commands called fun. So a new folder inside the commands folder called fun. So what we're going to want to do is put these brackets, and then we're going to want to put quotes, and then the name of the folder, fun, and then we're going to want to put a comma, and then this is what's going to show up in the bot when you do dash help. So we'll put a capital F for fun, and when that's done, we'll do dot, and then we're going to do register default commands, and then we're going to put these, and then when that's done, we're going to do dot register default commands, and then we're going to put these as well. And then what we're going to do finally is we're going to do dot register commands in quotes, or not quotes, parentheses, path dot join, and then we're going to do another parentheses, underscore dir name, comma, small quotes, and then we're going to put commands. And since this is the final line, we can add these at the end. So what I like to do is I like to put this on the bottom and do something like that so the line doesn't continue on. Now that we have that, we can create our first command inside the fun folder. So right click it and then click new file. For this, let's just do a simple coin flip. So coin_flip.js. It should create a new file, and what you're going to want to do is we're going to create some of the code. So first, before we can even start coding the command, we need to import the library. So we're going to do const, and then we're going to do command, and then we're going to do equal require quotes, and then discord.js -commando. Oops. And then we're going to want to do module.exports equal class. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to create a new class. So we're going to call this flip command. So flip command. Actually, let's call it coin flip command, just so it's defined better. And then we're going to do extends command, and then this. Then when we have that, we're going to do constructor client, and then we're going to put this. And now that we have that, we're going to want to do a super client, So we're going to do super client, and then that, in these brackets, and then we can put this on the bottom. Now that we have this, we can do name, and then these, and then we can put a comma after each one. So name, group, comma, member name, and then comma, and then description. So what the name is this is going to be the name that's registered under the bot. So for this, we're just going to call it flip. And then the group, this is the subfolders under commands. So this is in the fun folder. So we're going to put fun. And then the member name, this is the name of the command. People are going to use it. So we're just going to make it flip for simplicity's sake. And the description, we're going to put, you can put whatever you want here, but I'm just going to put flips a two-sided coin. So now that we have that out the way, we can start working on the code. So let's do run, and then we're going to do message, comma args, and then we're going to put this right here. And then now we can start finally doing the command. So now that we have this done, we can do var chance equal math dot floor, and then we can do floor, there we go, var chance equal math dot floor, math dot random, and then we're going to multiply this by 2. So now we're going to do if chance equal 0, we're going to reply with message dot reply, and then we're going to put your coin landed on heads. But if it lands on 1, we're going to do else, and then we're going to do message dot reply your coin landed on tails. So now that this is done, don't forget to save the file and do node space dot, hit enter. Alright, so the problem with this is that we accidentally misspelled in here. So this shouldn't be commands, this should be groups. So now let's try. Node dot. Seems like we also forgot to add in the path. So const path equal require, and then we do path, and then we can close that, and we can do node dot. Now it's working. Okay. So now if we go on, we can see that it now tells us that the bot is on, and that is working. And now we can do exclamation point flip. And now we can see that it works. Alright, so now that we have that done, what we can start doing is we can add another command. So for this, we're going to do a dice roll. So dice underscore roll dot JS. So this code is going to be very similar to the coin flip. So what we're going to do is copy this, close it, and paste it in here. So don't forget to change the command. So we're going to do dice roll. And now we're going to replace this with roll. Oops. Roll. Roll. And then rolls a 6-sided dice. So now we can remove this part. Actually, no, we don't need to remove all of it. We can just remove this part, and then we can do a few edits to this. So for chance, we can do dice roll, and then now we can do math.floor, math.random, and now we can do times 6. Oops, times 6. 6. Okay, there we go. Now that we've done that, we can do message.reply, and then we can do these brackets, or these quotes. Make sure to use these ones and not the other ones, or else this won't work. So this, your dice, landed on, and then we do the $, curly brackets, and then we do dice roll. So now if we turn on the bot, we should see that if we do exclamation point roll, it rolls a dice. All right, so the last thing we're going to do before this video ends is we're going to add a message listener. So we're going to go into here, back into the index.js, and we're going to start work on that. Okay, so we're going to want to do first a bot.on message, and then comma function message brackets, and then we're going to do if message.content equal hi. We're going to reply with message.reply hello. So don't forget to save. Let's turn on the bot. And now if we do no dot, it works. If we say hi, and now it responds hi. So let's go over everything that we've done. We've created 2 new commands. So if we do exclamation point flip, flips a 2-sided coin. If we do exclamation point roll, it rolls a 6-sided dice. And if we say hi, the bot now responds to hi. So if you like this video and you want to see part 3, consider liking the video, subscribing, and commenting down below that you want to see part 3. Thank you for watching and have a good day.